Tycoon, I'm like a Tycoon, I stay with the hope. Hold on, paying ends. Niggas can growl when I read my ends. I'm like a sniper aiming for the win. I'll never pull up on the land. I'm straight about guap and I'm still craving. Nigga for more and I'm still waiting. Back to the nigga was hating me. Now it's my time, they're all begging me. Cause in my busy we cooking heat. Like a Tycoon, you know how I move. Get it too easy cause we never snooze. Devil been talking, he said he will prove. Much I will get if I'm taking a deal, but I refused. Talking to go like I talk to my bro. He said I will make some of changes for you. That is the reason I'm staying like this. I'm on the league where you niggas don't fit. Each for the hater, I'm taking 6 feet. I'm a Tycoon, don't feel the shit. Like an outcast and competing. I'm on the lane to dominate. I'm on the face, no pain, no gain. Along the way, I'll make the change. With no mistake, I'll get the back. Your niggas, you know we always cool. We're dropping like bars to make the change.